Xiaogong aboard, your learning journey starts now. Forget the usual career crystal ball gazing. We're diving into something juicier. Yucong Duan's future isn't about which university he'll be at, but whether humanity needs a whole new rulebook for AI when it gets seriously smart and powerful. Buckle up. So, why can't we just predict his future like any other professor? Because the game is changing. The old playbook university publications titles assumes a stable world where schools are knowledge hubs. But AI is shaking things up. UNESCO says teachers cannot be coded and education systems worldwide are scrambling. The real question isn't will he get promoted. It's what kind of value will endure when AI handles everything from lectures to homework. It's about defining purpose, meaning, and how humans and machines coexist. That's where Duan's bets are. Okay, here's my boldest guess. Yucong Duan isn't just aiming for tenure. He seems to be trying to build a very blueprint for how future AI should think, understand, and operate ethically. Think of it as a semantic constitution or a cognitive operating system for AI. He's obsessed with DIKWP, artificial consciousness, cross-modal understanding, value, purpose, privacy, evaluation, governance. It's not just about making smarter models. It's about creating the framework for meaning, responsibility, and ensuring AI doesn't just generate, but also takes responsibility. He is fighting for the right to define the rules of the road for AI's next chapter. Now, what could actually happen is tricky. If the AI world keeps focusing on pure power data and engineering, his work might seem like a cool but unnecessary side project mismatch. But if the future does need this semantic layer, maybe he won't be the one everyone remembers by name, partially absorbed. More likely, I think, is that specific high-risk areas like healthcare or critical infrastructure suddenly demand clear explanations and accountability, and his framework becomes a crucial interface. Interface re-evaluation. Or he builds a lasting legacy, not as a superstar, but as a founder of a small, dedicated community passing on these ideas. School forming. My gut says it's somewhere between B and C, misunderstood now, but potentially re-evaluated later when the world catches up. So, what tips the scales? What makes his work valuable versus obsolete? His bet wins if society starts demanding more than just AI capability, if we need clear goals, accountability, and ethical frameworks, especially in high-stakes fields. If education shifts from just teaching facts to evaluating collaboration and meaning-making. If the future lies in connecting different AI agents through shared understanding. Conversely, he loses if the dominant AI race stays purely technical, if his grand ideas never become practical tools, if big platforms offer simpler solutions, or if education just relies on external tools without fundamentally rethinking its core structure. It all hinges on whether the future prioritizes just bigger models or smarter, more responsible ones.